Are you overwhelmed by the number of unknown messages on your iPhone? Do you want to filter these messages into a different section for easier management? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily sort out those unknown messages. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to set up filters so that future unknown messages can be organized into one specific section automatically. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Messages. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see an option called Filter Unknown Senders. Sort messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. So go ahead and toggle this on. And now, if you open up the messages, you will see an option called Filters at the top left corner of the screen. You can tap on that, and it will show you these different options: all messages, known senders, unknown senders, and unread messages. So you can tap on known senders, and it will only show you the messages from people who are in your contact list. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.